Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Blinky from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the lower part of his cap with an arch curve line across. Right there. Below that line at the side, I'm gonna draw the shape of his face with curved line downwards on the left corner. Turn it inwards at the side of his jaw, turn it downwards and flare it back outwards to the left. For the right side of his head, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line downwards, turn it inwards at that corner. Now for the side of his head, I'm going to draw a zigzag line from the left side of his face upwards like that. Turn it inwards at the upper corner, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side right here. Zigzag line across from the left corner to the right, and above that I'm gonna draw on the left corner diagonal curve line upwards and to the right. Same as you can turn downwards to the right side. On the right side of the head, curve line downwards at that point, and below that I'm gonna draw a circular shape, and along the way I'm gonna draw some zigzag line, and on the left corner as well, right there. Above that circular shape on the left, curve line upwards. Now for his left eye, I'm gonna draw a star shape on the left side of his face, an upside down V shape at that corner. Turn it sideways at the side, sharp turn diagonally in and downwards, diagonal turn back out and downwards on both sides, an upside down V shape for the lower part of the star. Repeat that same shape again on the right side of his face. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the same set of line along the edge, right there. And below the eye, I'm gonna draw his mouth with a curved line across, and another curved line across below that. On the right ending point, I'm gonna draw a semi-circle shape right there, and a smaller circular shape on the left corner of the mouth. For the candy across his outfit, on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards and to the right, across to the right, turn it upwards, diagonal line downwards to the right, sharp turn across to the left, turn it downwards, and diagonal line to the left and downwards. Mirror that same shape of the candy on the left side right here, and inside of that I'm gonna draw diagonal line downwards to the right on the left corner, and another similar line on the right corner. Repeat the whole candy shape at this lower point on the right. And another one below that. Below the last candy on the right, I'm going to draw a line diagonally down to the right, sideways to the right at that corner, turn it diagonally down to the right, upwards diagonally, and turn it back upwards to the left, turn it upwards. Inside of that shape on the right corner, a small circle at that point. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm gonna draw the strap to the right side of his outfit with a diagonal curve line to the right and downwards. Same as you turn back to the left and upwards. Copy that same set of curve line again at this lower point. Turn it upwards at the side on the right, semicircle turn to the left. Below his head on the right, I'm gonna draw the color of his vest with zigzag line across to the left right there. Turn it downwards and towards the candy. And on the right side of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line downwards and slightly to the left, all the way to that strap right there. Continue that curve line below the strap. Zigzag line across to the left, zigzag line upwards to the upper point below the strap. At the upper corner on the right, I'm going to draw his shoulder with a diagonal curve line across to the right. And at that ending point, I'm going to draw a zigzag line downwards. Right there. Turn it to the right. On the right side, I'm gonna draw a curve line diagonally up to the right, turn it sideways to the right, zigzag line back to the ending point on the left side right there. On the right side of the sleeve, I'm gonna draw his arm with a curve line out, semicircle turn diagonally downwards, and another diagonal curve line out and to the right, semicircle turn on his elbow point, back to the left and slightly downwards. For the inner line of his arm, I'm gonna draw at the lower point of the sleeve, curve line out, diagonal curve line to the left and downwards, and at the elbow point, a diagonal curve line inwards to the right. Curve line across to the right at that corner, and turn it downwards with a semicircle turn. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line to the left and downwards, semicircle turn down and to the right, across to the right, and turn it back diagonally up to his wrist. For the side of his vest on the right, I'm going to draw a line across right there, turn it upwards at the outer corner. Slightly above the edge of the vest, I'm going to draw another curve line across at that point. On the left side of his neck, I'm going to draw a zigzag line across to the left, turn it downwards towards the candy, and below the candy, I'm going to continue that zigzag line downwards to the other side of the vest. Turn it to the right at the lower point, and curve line upwards towards the candy strap. For his left sleeve, I'm going to draw a zigzag line out on the left corner, turn it downwards at the side, and turn it back inwards to the right at his lower point. Below the vest on the right, I'm going to draw a line downwards towards his hand, continue that line below the hand, flare it out to the right diagonally, and at that point, I'm going to draw his pouch with a rectangular shape. And inside of that rectangular shape on the top left corner, a line downwards, across to the right, and above that line, I'm gonna trace the outline along the edge on the left corner, at its lower point, and on the right corner. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a small circle in the middle point right there. On the left side of that pouch, I'm going to draw a strap with curve line across to the left and another curve line across at this lower point. A line downwards at the inner corner of the leg. Above the strap on the left, I'm going to draw a curve line up, turn it to the left. Below the strap and the pouch, I'm going to continue the line of his legs downwards and turn it slightly inwards towards his knee point. Below the knee point, another curved line downwards, flare it slightly out and back inwards towards his ankle point. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right corner right there. Flare it back outwards below the ankle point on both sides. Semicircle turn at the side and curve line across in the middle point. For his left leg, below the vest, I'm going to draw a curve line down, flare it slightly out at the hips and curve line downwards. On his knee, I'm gonna flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards, and below that, curve line downwards, turn it slightly inwards towards his ankle point, semicircle turn on his ankle point diagonally to the left with curve line, turn it back downwards at the front tip of the foot. For the inner line of the leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and inwards at the middle point to his knee, curved line downwards at the back of the knee, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards towards his ankle point, flare it back slightly out below the ankle point, semicircle turn to the left and to the front part of his foot. And for his left arm, I'm gonna draw on the left side of the sleeve, diagonal curve line out to the left, semicircle turn downwards on his elbow point, and semicircle turn back to the right. For the inner line of that arm, I'm gonna draw a similar diagonal line downwards, curve line across to the right below that. Now I'm gonna add some star shape along his body, and I'm gonna draw a star on his tummy right here, and another one inside of that along the edges. On his right upper arm, I'm gonna draw another star shape right there, and another one on his right thigh. On his left lower arm at that corner, another one below the right knee, and another one on the left lower leg. Now for the wire inside of his head, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line downwards below the head, across the face, continue that line below the mouth right there, semicircle turn to the left and turn it back to the right. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and to the left, semicircle turn to the right, across the star, across the eye on the right, continue that curved line across on the right side, semicircle turn back to the left, semicircle turn back to the right, curl it to the left and upwards, sideways to the left, curl it back to the right. Now below the candy strap, I'm gonna draw a random curly line downwards, and I'm gonna turn it randomly all over the place, and I'm gonna turn it to the left leg right here, all the way to his foot, and another string of wire from the same middle point below the candy strap, and below the vest on the right, another string to the right leg. Continue that below the pouch and the strap right there. And another set of string below the hand on the right to the right leg. And I'm gonna do the same thing on his arm as well. And I'm gonna add some random small rectangular shape for the light bulb along the side of those strings. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!